Last week, we heard from many of you wondering about a peacock wandering around town. And just yesterday, a yellow cockatiel was found in South Fargo. The man who found the bird is hoping to get it back to its owner. Valley News Team's Ashley Bishop looks into what you should do if you stumble upon an unusual pet.
Like I said, I don't want to just give it away to somebody for a free bird. I would like to have it go to its original home.
Birds, bunnies, and even snakes are allowed as pets in the city limits of Fargo and Moorhead. Chris Quinzer admits he didn't know what to do at first, but he knew it was a pet.
It came right to me. I mean, I went to the back and it was like, I put my finger out and it came right to me. And
if you find an unusual pet like a bunny or even a bird, it is recommended to call your local authorities.
Sometimes the owners are not located. You know, the owners sometimes just think that once the bird is gone, they're gone. And they don't think to look and see if maybe somebody found them.
Just like cats and dogs, animals like birds, guinea pigs, and bunnies are taken to the pound and held for 3 days. Candy says sometimes people even just let them loose and aren't aware there is a bird rescue in town.
You know, they all know about the dog and cat rescues, but they don't always think that there's a parrot rescue.
You may not even know that smaller animals like birds and bunnies can be microchipped. Candy says it's a good idea that could help get lost pets back home to you. In Fargo, Ashley Bishop, Valley News Live.
Moorhead and Fargo both prohibit wild and exotic animals. If you come across one, it's best to call police or the pound.